Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to create eye-catching movie posters with Canva? I'll walk you through every step. Click the Create button. Next, select Poster from the options, or type Poster in the search bar. Once Poster is selected, choose the portrait orientation. For this tutorial, we'll be using the portrait layout to create our poster design. Type Apex Movie into the search bar, then press Enter to start the search. Once the results appear, look for the item you want. After confirming it's correct, click the Generate button to proceed. Next, select this option to continue. Click on it to apply the feature or setting to your current project. Make sure it's highlighted or active before proceeding to the next step. This action is necessary to enable the function you want to use. Once selected, check that it appears in your workspace or settings list. Next, select the text tool from the toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas and begin typing your desired text directly onto the design. Select the effect option from the menu. Then browse through the available text designs and click on the one you want to apply to your project. To change the format, select the content you want to modify by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Next, navigate to the Formatting toolbar, which appears above your selection. Here, you can adjust settings such as font style, size, color, or alignment by clicking on the appropriate icons. If you need to apply a specific style, like making text bold or italic, click the corresponding button. Release your mouse when finished, and the changes will be applied immediately. Next, add a support or flash element. Choose the desired option from the toolbar, then click on your design to place it where you want the feature to appear. Next, click the Share button at the top right of your screen. This will open the sharing options for your project. From the menu that appears, choose the sharing method you prefer, such as sending a link or inviting people by email. Enter any required information, like email addresses or permissions. Once you've made your selections, confirm to share your project. Your collaborators will receive an invitation and can access your shared content immediately. To save your design, click Download. Choose PNG for standard image saving, or select PDF print for the best printing quality and CMYK color support. Make your selection, then confirm to start the download process. For professional printing, click the Download button to save a high-quality file. Now you know how to design awesome movie posters with Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.